who also rode an extremely aggressive Giro.
With the La Vie Claire team.
This is Claudio Corti, the Italian professional champion, teammate of Moser. This is GB Baronchelli, another teammate of Moser. Here's Greg attacking and being chased down by Vicentini as well as Corti.
There again is Vicentini, number 22, and Greg LeMond, former world professional champion and subsequent Tour de France winner.
No, Vicentini didn't go work with Greg decidedly on this one, and as you can see, the rest of the other riders were able to come back up.
A five-man group as they approach the finish. Including, as you said, the Italian champion Corti wearing the green, white, and red jersey there.
Now, interestingly here, you have the Brianzoli guys, which are Corti. Even though he's wearing the leaders, I mean the Italian pro champion jersey, he's from the Supermercato Brianzoli. And Baronchelli, who are not pulling at all because Moser is in the back, and that's their team captain. So they're not working at all. The Del Tongo guy, which is wearing the white jersey, Giupponi, he's not working either because he's got his captain in the back. So the guys who have to promote the action here have to be Greg and Vicentini. And Vicentini didn't seem to be very interested in working with Greg, so I believe that they're going to be caught, and that is about ready to take place. Stage racing is extremely tactical, Brian, as you well know, and being experienced with the Coors Classic and some of the American stage races, you know that it's very, very much a team effort. And I don't know of anybody, unless they're head and shoulders above the competition, who can win a stage race on their own power. Requires a lot of team effort, a lot of tactical expertise. And I think that that is something that the Europeans have well over us because they've been doing it for years, essentially.
This footage enables the viewers to really see some of that kind of teamwork played out, and explanations of why things are happening certainly are made much clearer by the pictures you can see when team tactics are being played out. It's convenient that in most cases the riders on the same teams wear similar uniforms, although some of the special jerseys tend to confuse us initially.
Here you have a counterattack by Moroni, and Baronchelli went with him, even though he had just been in the breakaway. Now at this point, Baronchelli is dropping Moroni. Now remember that he was in a breakaway not long ago, except he never worked in that breakaway when he was with Greg and Vicentini. So he was pretty fresh, and then when this kid Moroni attacked from Atala, he went with him.
Baronchelli tranquillo, pronto a bloccare ogni attacco, improvvisamente da stopper è diventato punta. Ha avuto la collaborazione di Moroni nel tratto pianeggiante, poi è passato al contrattacco e lo ha staccato all'inizio della salita finale. Siamo a quota 190, 250 metri ancora per Baronchelli. E con i 20 secondi da buono, Baronchelli è sicuramente maglia rosa. Con l'abbuono vince la tappa e passa al comando della classifica generale. Giovan Battista Baronchelli vince la tappa ed è maglia rosa. Merita il lungo applauso. E ora vediamo lo sprint per il posto d'onore, c'è Moser su Volpi, Colagé, Van de Velde, Santi Maria, poi ecco Bugno, Lemond, Godi, Schmutz, Beccia, Saronni, Corti, ecco Kuiper, Rabot.
Baronchelli picked up the pink jersey in this stage. And his team captain, actually, this is an interesting situation.